Hello everybody, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing an unboxing for Dollar Bead Box. If you're not familiar with this, I will leave a link below in the description, and I have a coupon code for BNJ2 for $2 off your first order with them. I will leave that below as well. This is a monthly bead box. I get the 8 fire polish strands for $8 along with the regular box. Monthly box. It's a little addition added on, and it's a great deal. So let's see. August 2024. Unleash your creativity and find tranquility with this month's color selection of beachfront inspired beads, known for their calming properties. These colors are perfect for crafting beautiful pieces that not only look stunning, but also bring peace to your mind and soul. Okay. So these, oh my gosh. Wow. These strands actually match the bargain bead box too. Oh, look at these. So let's take a look at these first. Woo. So these 8 strands are $8. There's 4 3mm and 4 4mm. Look at these. Oh, these are gorgeous. So these are for the 3mm. That one's that rare crystal beige luster. I would think that rose gold. Okay. Matte crystal copper. I think that, no. Oh, here. Okay, so the first one is ocean green opal or matte ocean green. And this is the 3mm strands. Look how pretty those are. These are so pretty. And next is the matte crystal Maria. If I'm putting it too close or not. And the third one is beige luster or vintage brown luster. These are really pretty up close. I don't know if the camera's picking this up, but oh, these are so pretty. And the fourth one is rose gold luster or rose luster with gold wash. I think this is rose luster with gold wash. So when you look at these 4 together, look at those. Oh, so pretty. And the 4mm strands, this is aqua cyan luster. Look at this sparkle in there. And then next is the matte crystal copper or matte crystal Maria. I think it's the matte crystal Maria. So pretty. And next is champagne luster. Look at how pretty these are. Oh. And next is rolled gold luster or rose beige luster. I think this is rose gold luster because I could see the kind of gold sparkles in this. So these are the 8 strands. The check fire polish bag. Look at these, how pretty these are. Oh. So we've got those. And now, let's see what's in about. Oh, it's like Christmas. Oh my gosh, look at these. Oh my gosh. Oh, wow. Oh, look at this. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Okay, let me get set up. I'll be right back. Okay, so we are starting out with the 4x6mm check glass pearl opaque turquoise, 20 pieces. Look at these. These are gorgeous. Oh, And then we have these two. This is the 3x5mm check glass pearl opaque turquoise, 20 pieces. And then I think they have a typing error. The next one is 4mm check glass pearl turquoise luster or coral luster at 42 pieces. And there's not 42 pieces in there. Unless, I don't know. This one, I think, could be but this is a pearl too. Okay, maybe this is the 42. This is the coral luster, 42 pieces. Okay, very pretty. And then these are the other two. Look how pretty they are. Oh, and then I love these key ones. 5x15mm check glass large hole Celtic block dusty rose with copper wash, 8 pieces. Can you see that? Look at that. Is that cool or what? And then the last for the strands, this is 3x5mm check glass gem cut rondelle, ocean green or desert opal, 25 pieces. So look at all of these are the strands. So look at, you get these. And then, come on, look at all of these. You can have a field day with all of these. I know I'm going to be. Look at all these beauties. Oh, just imagine all of the bracelets or necklaces or earrings or whatever you want to create with these. World is your oyster with these. Okay, so the first one is 5x7 check glass opal ocean green, 10 pieces. And they go the long way. So these are pretty. And next is 9x19mm. I love these check glass arabesque beige with turquoise, 2 pieces. These are so much fun. I love making earrings with these because they have so much. Oh, if you just look at this up close, look at that. Even on the sides. And so making a pair of dangle earrings with these are always my favorite thing to do. Although I might change my mind. Girls got a right to change your mind. Number 3 is 8mm check glass curved cube ocean green opal, 6 pieces. These are so pretty. Okay, and next is 8x16mm pewter drops antique brass, 2 pieces. These are so cute. So here's one side. There's the back and here's the front. So cute. And next, 32mm pewter key, antique brass plated, quantity 2. So this looks like that's the front, and then this would be the back. So it does have a front and a back to it. Very pretty. And next is 12x35mm spicy jasper oval. Wow. Look at that. That is a fun bead. This could be for like a bracelet. There's a lot you can do with this. Gorgeous. And next is 6x8mm check glass squishy saucer topaz rainbow iris or peach rainbow iris, 10 pieces. I love these because I love the little nooks and crannies in there, as I call them, like it's an English muffin. I love the way I have all the etching on there and stuff. Very pretty. Okay. And next is 16mm check glass faceted bicone bead, ocean green, 1 piece. Ooh, look at how pretty that is. I don't know if you can see all the illustrations in that or not. I know I can. That is really pretty cut, faceted. Very pretty. Okay. And the next one is 14mm check glass round, pressed round, white rose gold luster, 1 piece. So here is this. I love the finish on here. It's almost like a Picasso finish. So pretty. Okay. And next is 7 by 12 millimeter check glass Baroque pearls and cream. 6 pieces. They're so pretty. They've got that little etching on the sides. And next, this one's fun. 15 millimeter check glass tabular square in peach, 1 piece. And you can see where the line in there where the your head pin or your beading wire, whatever you use it for, would go through. This is pretty. And last but definitely not least, look at this one. 17 by 31 millimeter check glass laser etched flat drop opaque turquoise with silver, 1 piece. Look at that. Wow. This is gorgeous. This is really pretty. They outdid themselves this month. Kudos to Dollar Bead Box. I mean, just look at all of these. Now, if I'm not mistaken, and I keep forgetting to look before I do the unboxing, the actual box was $18.95, if I'm not mistaken. And then the strands are 8 beads for $8. I could be wrong, so you can't quote me on that. But I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. And you definitely use my coupon code BNJewelry2 for $2 off your first order with them. I'll leave a link below, as well as links to all of my social media, my Etsy, Instagram, Pinterest, and my Facebook account if you'd like to follow me on them. And stay tuned for the next video coming up. I know you're going to love it. And you have a great day, and I'll see you soon.